Ah, the eternal quest for the perfect travel companion on wheels. A struggle as old as time itself, or at least as old as road trips. But fear not, weary traveler, for in the vast landscape of RVs and trailers, there shines a beacon of hope, the Twilight by Cruiser RV. But here's the kicker. For a mere $50,000, you could be the proud owner of the 31BH, a behemoth of a trailer that can comfortably house 9 souls. Yes, you heard that right, 9. It's practically a mobile mansion on wheels. And if you're not looking to host a small village, fear not. Smaller models are available starting at a modest $35,000. Now, let's talk dimensions. This bad boy stretches nearly 36.5 feet long, over 8 feet wide, and towers at a staggering 11 feet tall. It's a beast, no doubt about it, tipping the scales at a hefty 9,722 pounds. So unless you've got a trusty steed capable of towing this titan, you might want to think twice before hitting the road. But enough about specs, let's talk features. Picture this, an outdoor galley setup, perfect for grilling up a storm while the kids frolic in the great outdoors. And once you've found your slice of paradise, just activate the slide-outs to unveil a world of comfort and convenience. Think dinettes, theater seating, futons, and top bunks galore. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a master bedroom fit for royalty, complete with a king-sized bed. To the left, a kitchen ready to whip up culinary delights, while a bathroom beckons from the rear, with its own separate entrance for added convenience. And let's not forget about the guest bedroom, perfect for wrangling the little ones or hosting unexpected guests. As you explore the Twilight, take note of the finer details, the air fryer oven, the solid surface countertops, the wood accents that give this beauty its rustic charm. So go ahead, close your eyes, and imagine yourself in the presence of such splendor, grilling, relaxing, and making memories that will last a lifetime. And don't forget to snap a few photos. After all, adventures like these are meant to be shared.